My name is Delano Tucker and I am a student of the Geisel High School.
My name is DJ Cassidy and I'd like to welcome you all to Pass the Mic.
Honestly, what the hell?
Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. Now people, the social media countdowns, I'm going to call it here. It is going to be put out on YouTube every Monday at 8:30 p.m. Okay, every Monday at 8:30 p.m. So make sure to tune in. Social media countdown 2022. I'm going to try to stick to it as long as you don't just support me and just like keep the likes, comments and shares going every week. Now let's get into the top 10 countdown.
The dirty of the berry, yeah, the juicy of the scoop. All the things that going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you for tuning to the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out. What happened of the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, Spice versus Pasta. Mingungo stew peas. Alright, burritos. So, Spice is not new to the social media countdown. It seems that lately her name has been called up a lot on online spaces. Now, recently, Pastor Stephen Blake. Now, you might know him as the pastor. It seems like him always going to the mainstream spaces and mingle with everybody.
Blessed morning, people of God. This is Pastor Stephen Blake. And today's message is, if God is for me, who can be against me?
So Stephen Blake, this is him face if you do not know him. Some years ago, apparently, he had an idea or a dream or a desire to collaborate with dancehall artist Spice. And it seems as if Spice took heed and they teamed up and collaborated on a song that is called Solid Ground. Now, couple days ago now, it looked like, say, his team, the pastor's team, decided to just put out the song and Spice was not having it. The Grammy-nominated artist apparently was blindsided by this release and she took to social media to share her 2 cents. Spice posted, Stephen, you claim to be a man of God. I ask you privately not to release this unfinished demo that we started working on from 2020. I still continue to cloud chase because of your own church sister. I don't know about you, but one thing I do not do is play with God. Take out my voice out of your song and go on your ways in a Jesus name. So Spice posted that on her Instagram page and shortly after she put up a post suggesting that she will be taking a break from social media. No, apparently the break never really did that long because my sister posted up video because she did celebrate. Yeah, Spice ways. But Burritos, what I want to hear from you, do you make much of this saga between Spice and the pastor Stephen Blake? Who do you think was wrong? Personally, I think it might have been a breakdown in communication between both camps, Spice's camp and Stephen Blake's camp. The pastor is distancing himself from taking the sole responsibility for the song's release, maybe a theme producers or whatever happened, but I'm blaming it as a breakdown in communication because maybe Spice didn't want the song to be released at this moment because Spice always she loves to organize and to be very strategic with her releases. So let me know, Burritos, what do you make of this situation? Sound off below. Number 9, Marian Hall versus 50 Cent. McKenzie Shop. Recently, Marian Hall took to social media to express her displeasure after I guess she found out that one of her first singles when she was Lady Saw was featured in one of 50 Cent's shows. So this is what Lady Saw said. Hi, I know some of you, I know you got some money for me. You for using one of my songs in your power episodes. Or you might have given it to someone who's been taking my money and not giving it to me because I haven't gotten paid for that song or any other songs that was used in that movie. I wrote it, sang it, and if I check back, I might have produced it too. I used to go by the name Lady Saw. With all due respect, I need to know who to go to so I can collect what is mine. I know you're a respectable businessman and wouldn't mind if I could produce a movie about my life. Look me up and see if my story interests you. I did send you a private message before, but I know you must have gotten so many messages that some gets lost in the trash. I hope this one don't. My email is marianhallministry@gmail.com. I'm now a preacher and gospel artist. Blessings overflow to you. And I do believe that, yes, if 50 Cent did use her music, then she's supposed to get the compensation from that. So nothing is wrong with it. It just, I just don't know. Maybe only Berrydas can better describe what is going on. But I just hope that Minister Marian Hall is okay and everything is just well with her at this point in time. That's all. I'm really just hoping that everything is okay, because lately we're seeing her on social media in ways that we never really saw her before. So I don't know what's going on there, but all the best, Minister Marian Hall, and 50 Cent, give the woman her money. Okay. Number 8, Dutty recap, my box cover. All right, so, you know, I'm going to make number 8 all about me because I had so much things going on lately. And first up, I have to go and talk about an event called Long Story Short, where I was asked I was invited to go there and share a 5-minute story. And I was just like, okay, had no idea what I was getting into, but I showed up at the event, I think it was a week ago, and trust me, it was probably one of the highlights of my life since the pandemic.
Buy this and get this free. So I'm like, oh my God, the culture is so rich. Who knew? You know, looking around now and I'm just in awe. And I see a photographer at the time, they had like a section there where you could go and take your photographs and stuff like that. So I'm looking at that and you have some girl and some little tights, some little sock on, and every time the women at the tights, like the multicolored tights them. You know, and the little print of them, so I was just like, wow, this is fascinating. And so I'm making my way downtown. Oh yeah. Yeah, so it's literally making my way downtown.
No. And then the day after that, I was the virtual host for the official watch party of the Reggae on the Pier concert put on by VP Records and the Ministry of Culture, Entertainment and Sport.
We thank you for that amazing set just now. And once again, if you choose to play a song called True Word for me, Big Belly Man, King Jammy, come on man. Please to give me a blind today, give me a break. Now guys, we have been enjoying the vibe. This is the official watch party for the Reggae on the Pier concert. This is brought to you by...
at the event, but it was just great to just have that vibe and to just have the energy in the room, in a pool of creatives. I met DJ Cassidy as well, and you know him have the what you call it, the BET performance with all of the reggae icons, artists recently. We soon get into that, but that was just a moment for me, and I'm really grateful for those opportunities. Number 7, Lalee versus Monsta, my big bird. All right, people, so I know some of you must have heard a song called Lego the Bird. No, that is actually performed by rising star Lalee. Well, he's not really from Digital Rising Stars, but he's a rising star in and of himself. And he has a song called Lego the Bird. And I guess the person who originated that dance is called Monsta.
Our Monsta day. Bye. Oh, Monsta day.
Another rising talent. He's a dancer, and the song will go on and it's a do road and it is quite popular. But you know, dancehall, so at some point in time, some drama and some falling out has to occur. It just seems like these things are imperative in the dancehall space. But recently, I think Monsta took to social media to share the fact that he doesn't like how Lalee is operating.
Lalee, dog, you have to stop it, brother. You have to stop it, brother. Father said, make a brain wash, father sling them. Father said, I'm looking scabby youth, scabby father sling them, brother. Father said, I'm not dog. Be with them, one underpants and them clothes, brother. I'm trying to see them different, but they different thing with them, brother. Them walk a call man name, brother. My entities charge. That's a youth. My people are 21, no people, I'm 21, you know, I want to mad me already. I'm just in dancehall 4, you know, I got 5, you know, I want mad me already. I'm 21, I'm look so big, you know. Never let me come no on stage. I link me say Monsta, where you there? I say Canada. I say Canada, him know a prank, and I don't show Lalee the prayer already. If I link me say Monsta on stage, I make Winford call me. I reach on stage quick and fast before the world cheer them. I reach before them, come well longer on stage.
Okay, now Lalee, he took to social media as well to clear theme name.
Call you and say, Monsta, where are you? Monsta said, Monsta, where are you? Me there Canada, Lalee, pie. Some say, Monsta. I say, Potter, where Monsta there? Potter say, DJ, him same there foreign, you know. I say, Monsta there foreign. Him a post be a video. You get me? I don't know who go foreign that day there, but the person who go foreign, send him to snap them when them in at the plane and everything. You get me? Can they market you like that, but yet on social media, you look completely different, brother. Man, you don't see them things, brother, but you see, when you quick for fling down, man, and run come on social media talk, and not tell people say when man are going the opportunity them. But you know, I fed up, me get fed up, that's why you see me stop deal with the local youth, you know, brother. Brother, me take taxi go TVJ, go look at me and tell me, say, you cannot take taxi come at TVJ, because you need a monster, brother. Brother, yo, the youth are wicked, you know, brother. You know what? Whenever I follow them argument, the Monsta grew up.
Alright, so, Lalee, so we have to say, Monsta, so we have to say, at this point in time, I really just hope that they're able to squash this situation because both of them, I guess, them talented in their own right. And I understand these things, especially when usually you don't have contracts involved, where the different parties don't really know what was supposed to be promised to them and what is expected. And so everything is just like a free flow. You just support somebody because you see somebody I try. And when it gets to this point, the situation is always like, where is the contract? Like, what exactly was promised to you? So I really hope that they're able to resolve it and move forward. Everybody not have to be friends. You can just like make this an amicable split. I want to just go off on the respective lanes and be successful. That's all I have to say. I'd love to hear from you, burritos. Sound off below. Number 6, reverse driver. Vroom, vroom. All right, so I have nothing to say. Just take a look at this unruly but very talented driver.
Right now, man.
Watch out.
You know, crash, man. I treat up here, man. Yo, I'm going to get Yo! You have a big yo, bad! Watch out. What? I'll spin now, put the bike by the No, yo! Must spin it, stop. Hold on, stop now. Come here, man.
No, man, that is skill and I do not have it, but burritos let me know. I feel like I want to have the talent here. Would you try something like this on a Jamaican road? And can you? Sound off below. Number 5, Shenseea bomb. Alright, burritos, so recently Dancehall pop princess Shenseea took to Instagram to basically share that she has a third eye. Take a look.
Okay, guys. Honestly, what the hell? No. What is?
I think you should just cover it up with some foundation. Just cover it up with some foundation.
Raj, foundation cannot help this. I am not even embarrassed that this is in my head to show you that I'm showing it. But what the? No.
You're that mad at it?
It's like a third eye.
You say
I've never seen it. It's like the bump is on a vein or something, but this is not it.
One day my friend called me when I was wearing my glasses. They called me four-eyed because I have glasses on because of the lens.
Come on. No, somebody needs to help me. We gotta get rid of this. Like, no.
But the funny thing about it is how supportive her son Rajira was throughout the entire video now. That is a ride or die. Big up yourself, Rajira, and hopefully Shenseea. You just do him say put some foundation and cover up the bump. Number 4, Jamaicans in Ukraine. Now, people. So recently it popped up on social media that we had 20 Jamaican students over there and they were trying to make their way home.
How are this? Jesus! Wanna hear them noise there? Oh Lord, give me strength.
No, the government of Jamaica, ruling JLP, tried to intervene and came up with a solution which meant that, these students had to basically take a loan from the government so that they could pay for their airfare to return. And many people did not like the idea of that, suggesting that if the government can find things for bring the Queen and President and all over the place, why they can't find the money for its own citizens. And so, you know, I saw that Kamina Johnson-Smith, she was back and forth trying to basically clear the air and show that the government was in support. We don't know how much that helped. And in the middle, President of the People's National Party, Mark Golding, popped up and he offered up a large amount of cash that he was putting forward to bring the Jamaicans home. And I'm just happy to say at this point in time that 20 of them are now reunited with their family members. They're now in the island and are safe. And so I'm very, very happy to hear that. And so I just hope that the remaining Jamaicans, some of them are in Poland right now, that they are able to take care of themselves and to just stay safe. Burritos, what do you have to say about this situation? Sound off below. Number 3, voice note mishap. Now, Burritos, you ever send a voice note and just something randomly pops out in your background? This is a reflection of that. Take a listen.
Listen.
Oh, so you know, see me, I call you. You know, answer me.
So you could have put first and send the voice note. You have to put on the voice note. And you never call me.
Yeah, that's you.
I can't believe the brother just like flatulate in a voice note, like proper poop.
Oh, so you know, see me, I call you.
Me with this here. You hear me, I tell you?
Ooh. You can imagine if that was his crush. You know how embarrassing that is. Burritos, let me know, has something this embarrassing ever happened to you? Sound off below.
Anything happen, just happen.
Number 2, DJ Cassidy. Alright, Burritos, so I don't know if you know this very popular DJ by the name of Cassidy. He has been putting on these very awesome virtual performances where you get to see some of the top rated artists singing along and vibing to their songs. And so recently he decided to do a dancehall edition that was for BET, and trust me people, it took the cake.
I'd like to welcome you all to Pass the Mic.
Murder, she roll, real.
Everyone for
you're going home with me tonight.
Action.
Sometimes some back and some of them are rally back with.
You are old and I am young. 1, 2, 3, show.
Yeah man, Burritos, and some honestly the whole entire thing just shell. I think he's doing an amazing job and I just can't wait for what he will deliver in the future.
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment.
Well done. Before the girls, them sexy and young. Run song. Sing along. Well then, big up the friend.
Alright, so first up on the big up segments, I have to go and big up Savannah, the lovely Savannah. Like I met her the other day too at the Reggae at the Pier event. She's just so beautiful. So she has a new song right now, and trust me, I tell you, this is the vibe.
Feel away and I can't explain. Feel away, won't hear me complain.
Also, I have to go and big up Nightly Fix. So I know the YouTubers, I know them from a long time. And so recently they announced that they are now heading to Bridge FM. So they're back on radio, and I'm sure that they've made the arrangements and the deal in such a way where they'll still be able to keep doing them on their terms, but have that partnership with Bridge FM. So congratulations guys and all the best.
Hey guys, you don't know, so it's your girl Shenseea and you're watching Duttyberry social media countdown. Keep it locked, Shenseea.
And number 1 goes to the Delano Tucker story. Yes. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number 1 goes to the Delano Tucker story. No, this story, I just know it moved the entire nation.
And so I time we just now not full of tea. Just circle that, go to school or breakfast. I'm reach school now and lunchtime come. We come up on a part program. We get one lunch. But take a COVID, the part program they on pause. And my mother not have it to give me lunch money. So I just go in one little corner and drink my water and go on my next class.
Delano is very persistent. Everything he tries to do, he do it to the best of his ability.
How is it like growing this young man?
It was not very hard because he learned very quickly.
All right, so Delano Tucker, he is a sixth form student at Guys Hill High, and he was recently interviewed by a YouTube page called Street Driven TV. Now, I forgot to big them up, because they were able to share and bring this young man's story to the entire nation.
After all 2 or 3 months we don't eat meat. So anytime mother cook food, she just fry up onion and garlic and I fry meat that. Other time she steam rice, she give it with bun oil. But I don't make it bother me, because I know that she don't have it. So I have to do my best at school and come take her out of the circumstances there.
No, honestly, this piece totally moved me. I saw videos and clippings making the rounds, and I just couldn't really bring myself to sit down and watch it. But eventually I did, and his situation definitely reminded me that people are going through it, and we have to be very grateful for the blessings that we have. And despite the challenges and how things can be difficult and so tedious at times, if we really want to make better for ourselves and our family, we have to push through despite the odds. That is something that Delano has been doing, and him just a push and go through. I heard he mention that some of the times he has to be eating rice and the bun oil with scraps of onion, and he still, despite all of that, he showed up to school and he was able to get all of his subjects. And so, I feel like this young man definitely deserves all the support that he's getting right now.
Talk to my sister.
Delano, let's go on the phone, G.
Let's go, so let's touch it like this.
Yeah, Shenseea. Shenseea. What a nice case to that.
Yeah. Your camera clean. Okay.
Take a picture, mommy. Yeah.
Yes, this is she speaking.
The Flair family.
And the Carter.
And the Carter family.
Crystal at the fridge where I go get.
I see a lot of corporate Jamaica showing up to, to show him with gifts and scholarships and food and clothes and all of these things. And I just really hope that, them just not do it just for the, have the little PR moment, but that they're really going to stick with this young man along his academic journey. So, Burritos, let me know what you thought about the story, where you moved, how did you feel about it, can you relate? Share your story, your testimony in the comments right now. Well, that is it, Burritos. We've come to the end of another Top 10 social media countdown. Thank you so much for watching. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button, as well as to leave a comment down below and let me know what was your favorite part of the countdown. Now, remember to turn on the post notifications as well, and to share with your family and friends. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. Now, if you want to follow me on my social media, it is at DuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Snapchat, all over. And if you want to advertise or just to email me, it is bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.